Good health. Another aspect of raising pious children is for parents to ensure their children develop healthy bodies, minds and spirits. A part of developing a healthy body is cleanliness. This has been declared a part of faith by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a hadith found in Sahih Muslim, number 534. Children should be encouraged to keep their bodies, clothes and bedrooms clean. This is a good way of preparing them for physical worship, which demands physical purity, such as the prayer. In addition, it helps to build up their character, such as becoming independent by using their own physical strength, instead of relying on others to do things for them. In fact, the children who are not taught these basic manners become a burden for their future spouses. Many married couples argue over small things like not cleaning their bedroom. An extremely important aspect of developing a healthy body is consuming lawful food. They should be encouraged to eat a balanced diet, thereby avoiding waste and extravagance. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the key of good eating in a hadith found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3349. One should split their stomach into 3 parts, 1 part for food, the second for water, and the final part should be left empty. This can be achieved when one stops eating before they feel full, meaning when they are still slightly hungry. Chapter 7 Al-Araf, verse 31.
And eat and drink, but be not excessive. Indeed, he likes not those who commit excess.
Parents should encourage their children to partake in physical exercise, without allowing it to compromise on their religious and worldly educational activities. This will aid them in building strong and healthy bodies, which will aid them in their religious duties, such as fasting. In addition, it is an excellent way for children to have fun within the limits of Islam, as a child who is overburdened with studying religious or worldly knowledge without taking part in fun activities is more likely to turn away from this knowledge when they get older and are less influenced by their parents and relatives. It is important to show children Islam is a simple religion, which has been advised in a hadith found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 287. A simple religion which allows one to enjoy the lawful pleasures of the world in moderation, and guides them to paradise in the next world. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.